Yes, this is the question we have. N minus 1 P3 ratio NP4 is 1:9. Find out what should be N.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
So is it 9?
Answer is 9. Yes.
Yes, sir, 9.
9. Very good. All are getting 9. Simple question it is. N minus 1 P3 ratio and P4 is given as 1:9. Formula already we have done last time. What the formula was? NPR is factorial N by factorial N minus R. So I'll use this formula and then we'll try to solve it. It will come out to be factorial N minus 1 by factorial N minus 1 minus 3 ratio factorial N by factorial N minus 4 come out to be 1:9. After getting this, we will write this as factorial N minus 1 by factorial N minus 4. This will reciprocate now, factorial N minus 4 by factorial N, and this has come out to be 1/9. Then clearly this part get cancelled out. Which is bigger, N minus 1 or N? Yes? N minus 1 is N is bigger. So we will say factorial N minus 1 and there we write N factorial N minus 1 comes out to be 1/9. This part clearly get cancelled out. What my answer should be? N is coming 9. Next question, please. 10P4 equal to 5040. 10P4 is 5040. 10P4 and 10PR. 10PR, sorry. 10PR is 5040. Find what should be R here. The question is 10PR is 5040. My question will be what is value of R we should know. Now in this case,
4.
Yes. Start with factorial 10 by factorial 10 minus R. This will be 5040. Can you have the factors of 5040? Because problem is factorial 10, how many times we should open? It is 5040, it will be some natural number in continuation and it will be a multiple of 10. Yes, definitely 0 is here. So better will be you make the factors of 5040. When you first solve it by 10 will take, because 10 is needed here. So we will say it will be 10 when you do it, it will come 504. Then by 2 when you do it, 252. Then by 2 when you do it will be 1, 2 and 6. Then 2 again, 6 and 3. Then by 3, 21. Then 3 will 7. So one number is clearly 7. Another is 8. This is 9. And this is 10. So in place of this, what I can write? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 will write. If you write this now, it is clear how many times we should open it. 10, 9, 8, 7, left is factorial 6. By factorial 10 minus r is 10, 9, 8 and 7. 10, 9, 8, 7 clearly get cancelled out. Is it right? When it is clearly get cancelled out, what I should have, factorial 6 will be factorial 10 minus r. And if this factorial is equal to this, what I should have, 10 minus r will be 6. R will go this side, 6 will go this side. So 10 minus 6 come out to be r. R is coming simply 4.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I am getting factorial 10 minus r is equal to 720.
720 means you should convert factorial 6. Factorial 6 is 720 only. But as it is factorial, we should create factorial this side. Otherwise, you can't solve it.
Okay.
So
Okay,
factorial
sir.
720 you write as factorial 6 and this are equal. So we will say 10 minus r has to be 6. R is coming 4.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next question please. 9p5 9p5 plus 5 times 9p4 equal to 10pr. My question is, what should be r here?
5.
What should be r here?
Sir, is it 5?
Answer is 5. Yes, it is 5.
Okay.
Completed?
Sir, I had done this.
Okay, you have done earlier. Okay, good. 9p5 plus 5 times 9p4 is 10pr. Now we should find out what is r here. So again, start will be factorial 9 by factorial 9 minus 5. 5 times factorial 9 by factorial 9 minus 4. And here it will come factorial 10 by factorial 10 minus r.
So 5
Yes. Now what I do here in this case, factorial 9, this is factorial 9. It's better you convert this also in factorial 9, then all cancel out. So I write this as 10 factorial 9. Factorial 9, factorial 9, factorial 9 cancel out. Left is 1 by factorial 4. This will be 5 by factorial 5. And here it will come 10 by factorial 10 minus r. Now what it will come, this is 5 and this is factorial 5. This better we write this as 5 factorial 4. So this part clearly get cancelled out. So left is 2 by factorial 4 this side. And here it comes 10 by factorial 10 minus r. 2 and 10 cancel out, it will come out to be 5.
5 factorial.
Then it will write factorial 10 minus r is 5 factorial 4. Is it right? Then we will write this as factorial 10 minus r will be factorial 5. And then clearly 10 minus r is coming 5. So 10 minus 5 is coming r. R is clearly answer as 5.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have a doubt in this. I think I have done something wrong.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, first step में अपने लिखा था फैक्टोरियल 9 अपॉन फैक्टोरियल r माइनस 5 इंटू फैक्टोरियल 9।
फैक्टोरियल 9 लिखा था पहले, राइट? अपॉन
यस सर।
फैक्टोरियल 4 था,
यस सर।
सेकंड में था फैक्टोरियल 9 अपॉन,
5
और यहाँ कुछ और था
5 टाइम्स।
5 टाइम्स, ठीक है।
फिर बीच
और
में प्लस साइन है कि माइनस?
प्लस प्लस,
अच्छा ओके सर।
ठीक है, चलिए करेक्ट करिए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज। 56PR plus 6, 56PR plus 6 ratio 54PR plus 3 equal to 30800 ratio 1. This is the question we have. 56PR plus 6 ratio 54PR plus 3 comes out to be 30800 ratio 1. My question is, find what should be R here. Please try. Very simple question, not very difficult one, but do it slowly and just understand the question, complete it.
Sir, can we not compare the numerators and denominators? Like,
No, in this case you can't compare because other side is also there. Comparison means what? 56.
sir, like I equate the numerators and then the denominators.
No. That it's a multiplication. How it is? Factorial 56 by 56 minus R plus 6 ratio 54 factorial by 54 minus R plus 3 should be 30800 by 1.
There are 60 है क्या?
No. Now we have factorial 56 by, what is result left? 50 minus R?
3 minus.
Is the answer 41?
Yes, it is answer 41. Factorial 54 by, this will come out to be what? Factorial 54 minus 3, it's 51 minus R. Should be 30800 by 1. Then I'll write factorial 56 by factorial 50 minus R into. This will be factorial 51 minus R by factorial 54. And here it will come out to be 30800 ratio 1. Now 56 will be compared with 54. This is bigger, this is smaller. In these two we'll compare, this is bigger, this is smaller. So I should start with 56, 55 factorial 54 divided by 50 minus R. And here I write 51 minus R factorial 50 minus R by factorial 54. And this side it is 30800. Just check 54 gone factorial, 50 minus R factorial gone.
So
And this into this, if you take, is it 3080? 56 into 55, when you solve it will come 3080. So
Yes,
this
sir.
can cancel out, left is 10 here. Then numerator left 51 minus R is coming 10. Very simple question now. 51 minus 10 is coming R. R is coming 41. Next question, please. 22p R plus 1 22p R plus 1 ratio 20p R plus 2 is equal to 11 ratio 52. My question is, what should be R? Question is, what should be R? Question is, find what should be R if this is given 22p R plus 1 ratio 20p R plus 2 equal to 11 ratio 52. My question is, find what should be R. Yes, check here. Factorial 22 by factorial 22 minus R plus 1 ratio factorial 20 by factorial 20 minus R plus 2 is 11 ratio 52. Then we write this as factorial 22 by, this is what? Factorial 21 minus R. Into will be there, so this will go up. It will be how much? 18 minus R. And by factorial 20. And this is 11 by 52. 22 and 20 will be compared. So this is greater, this is smaller. So I'll write 22 into 21 into factorial 20. This is 21 minus R, it is 18 minus R. So we should open this. 21 minus R, 20 minus R, 19 minus R, and then factorial 18 minus R. Then left is factorial 18 minus R by factorial 20, and this is coming 11 by 52. Now certain term cancel out, this is gone, this is gone. Okay, 11 two times.
So R is 7.
7, yes, right. Now this is 52 going this side, 2 into 21 into 52. And here I got it 21 minus R, 20 minus R, and 19 minus R.
14 into 13 into 12.
Now here it is. Three numbers must be in consecutive, first, second, third. So it should be in consecutive. How we write? 2 is there, 27, 7 threes are, and this will be 13 fours are.
4, yes.
13 is there,
4 and 3.
12 is here, and 14 is here. So what is the biggest number?
14.
14. So I should write 14, then 13, then come out to be 12. And this is 21 minus R, 20 minus R, and then 19 minus R. Then clearly 21 minus R is coming 14. So I got it 21 minus 14 is coming R, R is coming 7.